This place was voted the best coffee shop in America. So I ordered the coffee, just to try it out because coffee is my favorite drink. This is their website. They got all these different types of coffee, and they change all the time. I guess they sell out, so they take them off. Because see, the one I have, it's not on anymore. So I think that the coffee is really popular, and it sells out quick. So I really want to try this coffee. So it comes in this fancy box, and with the card that explains, the what kind of coffee, the origins of coffee, what country it comes from, blah blah blah, all that stuff, and everything about the coffee. So it comes in this fancy box. And here's the coffee. Here's the bag. It was, I believe, close to $25 for this bag of coffee. So, not cheap. But it's supposed to be the best coffee in the United States. So, we'll test it out. So that's the bag. This is the box. It's all 250 grams of coffee. It's all recyclable and all of that. If you guys recycle, comes in looking like that with that info card that pulls out of here like that. And then the back of the card. All right. All right, let's crack this open. All right. Ooh. Let me tell you something, guys. I can smell this coffee. Wow. I can smell this coffee. Ooh, look at that. That's a beautiful coffee, man. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. It smells delicious. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna grind this coffee real quick, and I'm gonna drink it two ways. I'm gonna drink it straight black because I want to taste it, for what it is, and then I usually drink coffee with half and a half, and coffee no sugar. So just a touch of half and a half, and my coffee is usually my go-to. It's how I do it, but this time I'm gonna take a few sips of straight black, just to taste it for itself. And it's almost done. Yeah, that's it. We're ready to go. All right, let's go make some coffee. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a little bit of just straight black coffee, just to kind of get the feel for it, taste for it. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Ooh, I can drink this straight black, no cream. I don't need anything. Oh, this coffee's good. Let me try this one here. Don't be making fun of my. This was a gift from the wife. She was making fun of me, by the way. Yeah, this is good. It's good stuff, man. Ooh, wow. Oh, this is good coffee, man. Holy moly. Very expensive. It was like $22 or $25 for 250 grams of coffee. Excellent coffee, man. Wow. Wow. Is it the best coffee I ever had? I don't know. It's right up there. It's right up there. Oh, wow. You know, I would order this coffee again, even at that extraordinary high price. I would order that coffee again. And I have to show you, this is my go-to coffee. Groundwork, I drink this coffee every day. And it's an excellent, excellent coffee. $12 for 283 grams, so basically half a price of the coffee I'm drinking now. But this is excellent coffee, I have to say. And when I do reviews, what I try to do is I don't care about the price, right? If I can't afford it, I don't buy it. So the price doesn't matter. If I buy it, I'm buying it for my own enjoyment. $25 or $5 or $2.50. It doesn't matter. The price means nothing to the review. I'm only judging it on how much I like it, and this is 10 out of 10 coffee. I'm really enjoying this cup of coffee. I'm gonna go work out after this. Once this coffee kicks in a few minutes. And that's all I got, man. I see why they were voted the best coffee shop in the country, you know, in 2019 or any other year. I didn't look into it much deeper than that. And you know, congratulations to them. Good for them. Good work, hard work pays off, and I'm happy for them. Hopefully they continue making good coffee. So I'll be a regular customer, returning customer for sure. Great coffee, beautiful day, and I'm gonna go finish this coffee and go work out. You guys have yourselves a great rest of your day. See you in the next review. Bye.